horizon. The power chords are regular, the rhythm is a threat. Writing the lines of the battle that you'll never forget. Irregular grid, the pacing is wrong. Shifting the ground in the heart of the song. Punchline hits, the morph is decay. Stutter mangling words on a metallic page. Sonic warfare, the fracture is deep. Waking the ghost to the rhythm from sleep. Auto-tune melody, the sorrow is sweet. Floating on top of the minimal beat. The granular pads are a digital stain. Turning the comfort to the ghost of the pain. Minimal punch, the foundation is wide. With nowhere for the truth of the vocal to hide. Aggressive decay, the beauty is torn. In the heart of the glitch, the metal is Call to the phantom, the pop hook replies. The echo of static under synthetic skies. Reverse, reverb, the tension is real. Stripping the soul from the chrome and the steel. Tape is rising, the suspense is a wall. Waiting for the weight of the silence to fall. In erratic ghost, the fracture is wide. With nowhere for the sound of the crowd to hide. Yeah. The glitch is the light, only in the silence do we feel the bite. Cinematic rise of the film is a dream. Drowning the logic in the metalcore scream. Fully metal chugging a script is a knife. Cutting the static from the fabric of life. The multiverse crashes, the film is done. The evacuation.